All right, boys and girls, for social studies today, we're working on hemispheres. You'll need to get your red social studies folder, and inside you'll see a small blue and small green piece of paper. Take them out, and your next task is to cut on the dark black line. Please make sure you're not cutting off the words. See how mine on the left, you can see it still has words attached to it, so please keep them attached. Those tabs are important. So make sure you're taking your time going around the outside edge of the black lines. For the earth, you need to cut around the circle of the earth when you're cutting. Next step is gluing. When you're ready to glue, make sure that the northern hemisphere tab is facing up at the top, just like mine. You want to put glue inside that empty green square. That's where the glue goes. When you're finished putting glue on, flip it over into your notebook on the very next notebook page, but make sure north is facing at the top. Then you need to put glue on the back of the earth cutout, and make sure when you're ready to put it in your notebook on the green paper that you have it facing the right way. The word equator should be in the center. It should be horizontal. Okay? Make sure it looks just like mine. The last step is folding the tabs down. You can see there's 4 tabs: Northern Hemisphere, Southern Hemisphere, Eastern Hemisphere, Western Hemisphere. You'll notice that there are 4 different hemispheres. We are in 2 hemispheres at the same time. We are in the Northern Hemisphere because we're above the equator, and we are in the Western Hemisphere because we are west of the prime meridian line. Okay, so that's the first step in your assignment today. You'll be using this tool when you complete your slides.